Hello everyone, welcome to Gogetmyguru. In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple cursors at all the occurrences in your code. So let's say in line number 10, you can have a look at, we have new food. So I want to change this new food and I want to know where all this new food occurs in my code. So I want to change this. So how can I change? You can change that by using Control, Shift and L. So this selects all the occurrences of the new food and you can change it to any other name. Suppose I want to change this to modify. So now you can see that it has changed to modify. Now again I am going to change that to the previous one, which now again I'll change that to new food. So how I can do, keep your cursor here and then Control Shift and L. So it denotes all the occurrences where it occurs in your code. And now just say new underscore. So all the occurrences have changed to the new name. Wasn't that editing easy?
Thanks for watching. Do like and share our videos. Happy learning.
Subscribe to Go Get My Guru channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive regular updates.